Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Term 4, Week 1 of our spelling program for the term. We're going to start off with the phoneme of the week, the graph U, making the sound of as in bus and fuss. So U as in umbrella, making the sound of as in bus and fuss. So here are the words. I'm just going to read them out to start with. So we've got bus, but, fuss, dust, jump, us, bump, trust, must, and shut. Now remember, you're still in 3 groups, so your group may not have all these words, but we are just talking about the graph U making the sound of So let's break some of these words down into our phonemes. Shut, sh, t. So how would we write that? Sh, t. 1, 2, 3. 3 phonemes in the word shut. S-H-U-T. Next word, jump. So let's break that down. J, m, p. How many phonemes? 4. J, m, jump. J-U-M-P. 4 phonemes. So if jump has 4 phonemes, what do you think bump might have? Because we have just changed the first sound or the first letter. Do you think it might have the same? Let's see. Bump. B, m, p. Bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. It would have the same because it looks the same here except for the first letter difference. Bump. Next word, hug. Break it down. H, a, g. Oops. G. H, a, g. 3 phonemes. So if hug has 3 phonemes, what do you think rug might have? The same, because the first letter is the only thing different. Rug. R, a, g. Rug. 3 phonemes. Okay? Because this is what you do on a Thursday, but we're practicing. Here are some more words. Bus. Break it down. B, a, s. Bus. 3 phonemes. Next word, fuss. Don't make a fuss, I'm all right. Fuss. Break it down. F, a. So we have a digraph here at the end of the word fuss. Both the S's together make one sound. So we've still got only 3 phonemes in that word. Okay, fuss. Trust. We trust each other. Trust. Break it down. T, r, a, s. Oops. A, s, t. I don't have any room to write the number of phonemes in this one. T, r, a, st. Trust. So there are 5 phonemes in there. Must. Break it down. A, s, t. Must. 4 phonemes in must. So if there's 4 phonemes in must, what do you think dust would have? Would that have the same phonemes? Same number? It would, because just the first two letters are the different ones. Dust. D, a, s, t. How many phonemes in the word dust? How many? 4. Okay, so we've broken down bus, fuss, f, a, s, trust, t, r, a, st, must, a, st, must, dust, d, a, st, dust. Okay, so that's the breaking down of the phonemes. Now this is a bit different. Let's try and see if we can use one of these words to put into these sentences to make sense. So it says fill in the word. The something takes me to school every day. The what takes you to school every day? The bus takes me to school every day. So that is the right word there because it makes sense as well. Second sentence, scissors is used to something out things. Scissors is used to something out things. What do we use scissors for? Cut, and that is also a word that has the U in it. C-U-T, to cut out things. Let me go. Scissors is used to cut out things. Number 3, a cashew is a type of what? Something. A cashew is a type of nut. Let's move this full stop back closer to this. A cashew is a type of nut. Last sentence, something is a day of rest. So what does the Bible say about the day of rest? It is Sunday. Oops. Sunday is a day of rest. So let's bring all this back closer. Sunday is a day of rest. So those are some examples of sentences that you can do as well. All right, so you need to go and fill out Monday's column of the spelling words and check Cecil what you need to do.